Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use monday.com for work processes, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser and navigate to the monday.com website. Log into your account using your registered email and password. Once you're logged in, you'll be greeted by your dashboard. To create a new board, look for the New Board button on the left side of the screen. Click on New Board, and a pop-up will prompt you to name your board. Enter a descriptive name that reflects the work process you want to track. Choose whether you want to make it private or share it with your team. Click Create Board to proceed. You will now see a blank board with default columns. To add a new column, click the plus sign next to the existing columns. Select the type of column you want to add, such as text, status, or date. Customize the column settings according to your preferences. To add items to your board, click on the plus Add Item button at the bottom. Enter the name of the task in the designated field. Fill out the details for each task, using the columns you've created. You can assign tasks by clicking on the People column and selecting Team Members. To set due dates, click on the Date column and pick the relevant dates from the calendar. Once you've entered all your tasks and details, ensure everything is organized and clear. To change the view, use the Views drop-down menu at the top right corner. Experiment with different views like Kanban, Calendar, or Timeline to find what works best for your team. To communicate with your team about specific tasks, click on the task you want to discuss. In the task's details, scroll down to the Updates section to leave comments or attach files. Make use of integrations by clicking on the Integrate tab if you need to connect other tools. Explore the automation features by clicking on the Automate tab to streamline your processes. Once your board is set up, encourage your team to start updating their tasks regularly. Review your board frequently to monitor progress and make adjustments as necessary. This concludes your quick tutorial on using monday.com for work processes. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.